So I've been playing around with AI over the weekend, and I figured I'd attempt to write some AI that could maybe help with my Laravel app. Sorry about the noise. And so my project is called Laravel. Think of it as Auto Laravel. And so I have a command called AI make, and think of this just as a prompt. And I'm just going to tell it to, I don't know, add phone number to user model. So now that we've submitted this command, it's going to go and generate a list of steps that it needs to go through in order to fulfill the request. Now, is this going to be 100% successful? I'm not 100% sure. This is just entirely, you couldn't even call it alpha. We're just playing around, having fun. We're going to see what happens, and this sort of gives us the opportunity to further train AI and everything to do that. Don't mind the family noise. Work from home. So we're gonna give this thing a few seconds. I'm gonna monitor the database, and it looks like this thing has about 8 steps it's gonna go through to do this. And I've instructed the AI to basically utilize artisan commands, things of that nature, to attempt to fulfill the request. Now, sometimes it's successful, like very well. Sometimes it's not, sort of hit and miss. Sometimes there's hallucinations. So as you can imagine, there's a lot of fine-tuning and patience you got to have. Because AI is powerful, but it is not clairvoyant. And it seems like it's hanging up. Nope, it just completed another step. So we'll give it a few more seconds. And then when it's done, we're going to analyze the output, and we'll see. We're almost done. We got one more step. I need to add this to an output or something here on the terminal. That way everybody's aware of what's sort of taking place. All right, so it looks like it's done. All right, so fingers crossed. So we're going to see if there is a migration. Actually, let me refresh just to be sure. Okay, so add phone number. So it did add a phone number to the users table. It did add it to the rollback. Let's see if the user model has it. I don't see it. Oh. So okay. So the issue here, there you can see there was a little bit of a hallucination, because up here you have fillable, right? And you'll see down here, you see this bracket that closes, but then you see fillable here as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that. Ooh, it even messed that up a little too. Okay. And it's adding some sort of sanitized thing. I'm not going to worry about that just yet, but let's go back up here to fillable and at least have that. Let's check my tables. See if we got a phone number. Oh, it did add the phone number to the database. It obviously didn't place it anywhere differently. And so for the most part, let's see, did it add it to the factory? Nope, it didn't add it to the factory, but that's something I can further train the prompt to do. But if you think about it, we just let AI write code for us or make modifications to our code. It wasn't half bad. Let me know what you think.